Hello everyone, I'm Darshit from Lead Connect, and today in this video I'm going to show you Google Sheet integration with Lead Connect. So the integration will send data from Google Sheets, and then the prospects from Google Sheets will be added inside a Lead Connect sequence. So we will be needing following things. So the first thing we need is a Google Sheet. So you need to have a Google Sheet where you are going to paste all your LinkedIn profiles. The second thing is you would be needing a Zapier account, and of course you need a Lead Connect account to start a sequence. So let's start by creating a Lead Connect sequence. So let's go to extension. So here is the extension. Now I'm going to create a new sequence, and let's name it as Google Sheet to LinkedIn, then integration. So this is going to be a test integration. Now the sequence type would be invitation, and under the define target audience we need to select webhooks. So using Zapier by webhooks, we are going to connect Google Sheet and Lead Connect. So here the define target audience, we will take it as webhook. Now we need to have a connection message. So let me just write down hello first name, and let's give the fallback value as there. So in case Lead Connect is not able to find first name from LinkedIn, we'll send there. And let's put a follow message, how are you? So if the prospect accepts the invitation, they will send a follow-up message. And let's put the delay time as 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes of connection accepted, send the follow-up message. And here's the withdraw connection type, so I will keep it as 5 working days. So after the invitation has been sent, it will wait for 5 days, and if the connection has not accepted the invitation, the invite will be withdrawn after 5 days. So let's save the changes, and let's start the sequence. Okay, so the sequence has been started. Now we need to go to dashboard, and here under the dashboard we will go to webhooks. Okay, so here we need to create a webhook URL for the sequence which we have started. So for that, click on add webhook and select the sequence which you have created. So this is the sequence which we just created, Google Sheet to LinkedIn integration. And now copy the URL, and save this. So the webhook has been created, and all the data would be received using this API. So now let's go to Zapier and create our integration. So here, this is the Zapier page, and let's create a new Zap. So make a Zap. And here we need to search for Google Sheets, and here they are. And let's set the trigger option as new spreadsheet row. So it will the Zap will get triggered whenever a new spreadsheet row has been created. Now you need to sign in into your Google account. So uh, let's sign in inside the Google account. Allow. Okay, and let's continue. Now here you need to select the spreadsheet. So we are going to use Lead Connect test integration. And here you need to select the sheet which you are going to use. So it will be sheet 1, and continue. Okay, so we need a test data inside our profile. So right now I don't, this sheet is empty. So I have a sheet for sample data. So I will just copy this URL from here and use it as my sample URL. And let's go back to Zapier and search for sample data. So let's go and check what Zapier has found. So here in the find data, you can see a result, and this is the sample URL which I have just entered inside my Lead Connect test integration sheet. And okay, so let's click on done editing. Now the step two would be using webhooks to connect with Lead Connect. So here let's choose the action as post, and here you can Zapier is asking for a URL. So here under the webhooks we have created a URL, so we need to copy this. Just copy this and paste it over here. And here there is payload type, so we will select JSON. And here under the data we need to write profile underscore link. So here is the thing you need to make sure while creating this integration. The profile underscore link tag is case sensitive, so you need to write it as it is. So it should be like profile underscore link, and everything should be in the lowercase. So just make sure you are writing it in the right way. And here we will need to select the Google Sheet column from where we are going to take our profiles. And yep, everything seems fine. Let's just click on continue and test and continue. Okay, so done editing. Okay, and it would have sent a sample data. So it usually takes few minutes to send sample data, so let's wait for few minutes. So let's turn on the Zap now. So I will just turn this Zap on. And the Zap is on now. Alright, so let's add some data inside our Lead Connect test integration sheet. So I'm going to copy this all profile URLs from my sample data, and I'm going to add all this inside my test. And let's just wait for some time to get this Zap triggered, and then we can see all this profiles inside our webhook integration. So let me just pause the video for the time being till the time we get some data inside Lead Connect. All right, so here we have received some data from our integration. So it is gathering some data, and uh, we haven't sent an invite yet, so it is on our server. And if, let's just wait for a few more minutes, and the sequence will also start sending the invites. So this, uh, so okay, so we can. Okay, and there we go. So here the first invite has been sent to Michael Tao, and let's just go. And here is Michael Tao. So this is how the integration works. We can wait for a few minutes and a few more invites will go out.